P0130 code diagnosis. When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. Oxygen sensor circuit malfunction, bank 1, sensor 1. What does error code P0130 means? The DTC P0130 is set by the engine control module, the CM, when it determines that the circuit of oxygen sensor 1 on the first cylinder bank is not working properly. The voltage varies between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. This sensor is located upstream of the catalytic converter and is designed to measure the O2 concentration of the exhaust gases. Possible symptoms: activation of the check engine light, a rough or stalling engine, increased fuel consumption, poor acceleration and a decrease in engine power, black or excessive smoke coming from the exhaust system, problems with starting the vehicle, no noticeable adverse conditions in some cases. Possible causes: defective oxygen sensor, a faulty O2 sensor connector or poor connection, thermal or mechanical damage to the device, wiring, circuit or electrical problem. A broken fuel pump or clogged filter results in low fuel pressure. Leaks in the intake or exhaust system. A mass airflow meter or manifold absolute pressure map. Sensor malfunction. A bad or leaking fuel pressure regulator. A fault in the evaporative emission system. Defective engine coolant temperature sensor. Outdated PCM software. Faulty PCM. How serious is the P0130 code? With so many potential causes of a P0130, it's hard to tell you right off the bat whether it's serious. It's a minor issue that won't cause further problems. However, depending on the exact issue, it can be a serious problem. Should diagnosis right away. If it's a faulty oxygen sensor, it's not that serious, but it also won't cost you that much to fix. If the problem is low fuel pressure or a faulty PCM, it's something you'll want to address right away. How to diagnose? Tools, parts needed. Any scan tool may be an over SDS43. Basic hand tools, vehicle-specific service manual. Step 1. Use SDS43 to ensure no other engine codes are present. Scan your vehicle to verify P0130 is the only code present. If other codes are present, they must be addressed first. Step 2. Inspect O2 sensors and wiring. Visually check the electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs in terminals for any damages. If any damage is found, replace the oxygen sensor. Step 3. Check oxygen sensor's live data with SDS43. Warm up your engine using fixed live data. Look at your O2 sensor bank 1, sensor 1 voltage. Note if the O2 sensor is rapidly or slowly switching from low to high voltage. This could indicate a faulty O2 sensor. Step 4. Inspect vacuum lines. Check for any vacuum leaks in the engine or any holes in the exhaust that could lead to air escaping from the engine. Repair any leaks or holes you find. Step 5. Consult a professional. Fixing all the problems, then need to use a scanner to clear all fault codes and retest the vehicle to see if the code comes back. If the fault code comes back, then please check again all conditions or contact a professional in the automotive industry. How to fix? Possible solutions. Replace oxygen sensor. repair or replace O2 sensor connector. Check, repair and replace wiring. Circuit for O2 sensor. Replace the fuel pump and clogged filter. Repair leaks in the intake or exhaust system. Replace manifold absolute pressure map sensor. Check and replace fuel pressure regulator. Check and repair in the evaporative emission system. Check and replace engine coolant temperature sensor. Update the latest PCM software. Check, repair or replace PCM. Approx. Repair cost. If you take your car to a shop for diagnosis, most shops will start with an hour of diag time, which costs somewhere between $75 to $150. You will need one or more of the following repairs. To fix the problem, the price below includes the parts cost and the service fee. Oxygen sensor, $200 to $300. Exhaust repair, $100 to $200 if welded to repair. Vacuum leak, $100 to $200. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.